Hi, McCoy. Hi, Ruby. Hi, Sharon. You too. Stay safe. Michelle, stay safe. Thank you. So now you can get your baking goods from Nuncia, from Ladyley Party Events. From Ladyley Party Events, you can get your baked goods at Blues Jamaican Restaurant location, located in Georgia, Buford. You can get a slice. They sell it by the slice. Or you can order a whole one and pick it up from there. So you can place your order there. If you need a whole cake, a whole pudding, a whole anything you want, and you want it in whole. You too, Ruby. Benita. Morning. So you can check out Blues Jamaican Restaurant in Buford, Georgia. I tell you, them food off the chain. I say them food off the chain. The curry go bad. I don't eat the oxtail, but from what my nephew used them to cater for them, and trust me, everybody was talking about the food. So check out Blues Jamaican Restaurant in Georgia, Buford, Georgia. Best food, customer service off the chain. Husband and wife run it. And may I tell you, the thing up and running. Beverly, good morning. Like and share. Good morning. Good morning. Like and share. Hope you're keeping safe. Yeah, people. So that's what I tell you now. So the things up and going. Hi, Candace. Good morning. Good morning. And guys, you can check out Candice. I don't know why I always call her Candice. Check out Candice. May I tell you, our stuff them up. Our stuff them up. Check her out. Support her. She's in Westmoreland. She's in Lord Jesus. Where place is her name again? Oh God. Where that place? Smithfield, close to Savlamar. Check her out. May I tell you, check her page out. Candice Natalie Cooks. You hear where her name is? Cooks. That means that she can cook. So check her out, man. Trust me, personality off the chain. And that what I love about her. Humble and nice. Yes, Sav, Smithfield in Sav. So check her out. Check out her page. Good morning, Lady B, Queen B, Lady Queen B. Good morning, how are you? I was gonna check in with you last night, but I was get caught up on the phone talking. So I'll call you later. Yeah, man, me have to big you up, Candace, cause when me see good people, me have to big them up. Big up Blues Restaurant, big up Blue, big up Anne Marie. Hey, Miss Sylvia, how you doing, honey? Big up Marie from Blues Restaurant. Keep up the good work, the good personality. Thanks for the support and all of that. Yeah, my girl. So, guys, go check Blues Restaurant. You can get nuncia cake there, or good up pudding, or cassava cake, or sorrel cake. I did it Thursday. Sorrel cake, I did it Thursday. So, guys, check it out. And the sorrel cake is off the chain. Me not lie, not because of me bake it. It good. It good cause me not like sorrel. Bless up yourself to baby girl. So, guys, now some people were complaining that they need slices. Not really complaining. They don't need a whole, I should use the word complain. They don't need a whole cake, a whole pudding because of them one. So now me I tell you, say, if you're in a Georgia area, you can get it a Blues Jamaican restaurant. Nuncia product is there. Me bless up, me left you with cavities. God dentist. Marsha blessing. Good morning, my love. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Nuncia Morning Live. You know, I'm here to tell you guys that no matter what you're going through, sometimes it seems like nothing now going for you, nothing now come your way. But trust me, God have bigger and better plans for you. Every disappointment is for a good. You miss me? I miss you too, my baby girl. So guys, Tina, blessing. Tina, what? Yes, man. And if me see nobody I come down, me go hook you up. If me see anybody coming down, me go hook you up. Good morning, my girl. Come back, Marsha, me so come. Marsha, me so come back. Me know so don't miss way. Me so come back. It was my pleasure knowing you, sweetheart. You're sweet and humble and that beautiful smile. Keep it up. You don't know so when Nuncia come a Jaja, turn up. Me so come back, man. Me so come back. But go check out Blues Restaurant, Marsha. You get and support the thing. Support the thing and support them. They have my cake. They have my cake, my pudding, and everything. Just call them up first before you go. Yeah, everybody asked me if you come back to Georgia. Wonder what I come to Georgia for? What you want me come to Georgia for? Me so come to Georgia, man. It's time me come to Georgia. The game is on, baby. It's on. It's on. It's on. Me never want to Georgia right now because my head not so righted right now. So I have to cool off my head before me come to Georgia again, you know. Because my head not so righted right now. You see me? Because Brina, we are share. Uno no fight over me. 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 Enough love. Enough love there round for Nuncia go round. You don't know, Nuncia keep it real. 100%. Nuncia no care who you be. Christine, blessing, blessing, blessing. No hypocrite no over here, sir. No hypocrite no there, sir. No. Masha, you laugh for me for. Uno no have no baby. Uno make me stay so. Uno Georgia make me stay so. Uno Georgia make me stay so. And the worst thing, uno encourage my husband to do it. Uno encourage my husband to do them sitting there to me. Hey, Shelly did duck off in the pool, you know. Shelly did duck off in the pool, you know. But if me there Georgia, somebody would have throw in the pool. Cause me get a call last night and me hear all heap of things are going, Marsha. Me say we don't carry on bad up there. Big up your husband. Big up Nancy. Big up. Me can't be going up here, man. I feel soon in person for be going up. You know, make me have a wonderful time. I'm glad I was able to meet you wonderful people. Keep it real 100%. Yes, could come. Hobby have to work. And my back not so 100%. My back been killing me ever since So, me soon come back, man. Call a party never mash up. We love you guys too. We love you guys. We love you guys. Trust me, we love you guys. Wait a minute. I got something to say. Richie, I'm not ready. I'm talking. Richie, I'm talking. Wait. I got something to say. I am talking. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Me just imitate. Wait. I got something to say. Richie, I'm talking. I'm not ready. Okay, Ryan. Okay, Ryan. I've known you for a year or so.